umnumzana Zuma ulivulile icala namhlanje njengoba abameli bakhe babethembisile. Lokhu kwenzeka sekusele izinsukwana ngaphambi kokuthi inkantolo ikhiphe isinqumo ngesicelo sikamnumzana Zuma sokuthi umtshutshisi uBilly Downer ashenxe kuleli cala. Kulindeleke ukuthi inkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu ikhiphe isinqumo ngoLwesibili. Umnumzana Zuma usolo uAdvocate Downer ngokubhutshuza lentatheli imininingwane mayelana nokugula kwakhe. Lokhu kulandela istatement esifungelwe safaka uAdvocate Downer esasihambisana nombiko mayelana nempilo kamnumzana Zuma. Abameli bakamnumzana Zuma bathi izinhlangano zabezindaba zabe seshiqilela okuningi okuqukethwe kulombiko. Bathi lokhu kukhombisa ukungasiphathi ngendlela kwaAdvocate Downer.
Advocate Mpofu argued there as well that not only did these people leak this information, they even coached the journal to say, don't publish it this time, publish it at a particular time. All of those things are irregular, as it were.
Umbuso uyakuphika lokhu uthi noma imapha amaphepha ayiswe enkantolo noma iliphi ilungu lomphakathi libe nemvumo yokwasebenzisa. iNational Prosecuting Authority ithi yamangalo ukuthi abameli bakamnumzana Zuma banqume ukuvula leli cala sekusele kancane ukuthi inkantolo ikhiphe isinqumo ngalolu daba.
We hold Mr. Downer in high regard as the NPA because throughout his career as a prosecutor he has carried himself with integrity. However, we will allow the Director of Public Prosecutions in the KwaZulu-Natal province to deal with the matter as and when the docket has been brought to her.
Umnumzana Zuma waphinde wabhalela umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ekhala ngokuthi NPA ishaya indiva imigomo elawo lezokushushisa. Lolu daba kumanje libhekwe ngumnyango wezokulungiswa.
If the president of the country had done something by now, we would be even here today. But we've been waiting since August. There's not even an update report from the president that this is where I am with the matter. So we're here today because of those kinds of things.
Ngaphandle kwesicelo sakhe sokuthi kususu uAdvocate Downer, umnumzana Zuma ufuna ukuthi leli cala lichithwe. Endabeni zeSABC ngingu-Iindaba eMgungundlovu.